Welcome to Traveling Rocks. In this week, I'm exploring Austria's capital Vienna, and in this video, we will see detailed information related on public transportation, U-Bahn, S-Bahn, train and buses. So many facilities are available here for the specially public transportation. So we will see how to purchase 24 hours ticket and enjoy Vienna city. How to purchase day pass in Vienna, we'll see. Start. First of all, English, Italian, French and other languages also available. I go with English. So here one trip the discount price, I go with 24-hour ticket. Here three options are available: 24, 43 and 72. 42 how numbers, I have two, so per person 8 euro like this, and two people 16 euro. Okay, bye. And here you just pay using your debit card, credit card, otherwise you can put it here. Card also, physical card. And my ticket is coming here, two ticket. So this is my day pass for 24 hour. Every public transportation I can use this one. It's very simple. So this is a ticket machine. It's a big one. Some of the information is also available here. Otherwise you can download this application. The application is available on Android and iOS, and using the application you can do same process. You can purchase for the via application also. It's very simple, and the ticket machine is available on each and every public transportation stop. If you are coming airport also, central train station or another train station. After purchase the ticket, you need to valid. This is a 24-hour ticket, but the validity start after you add it here like this. So focus on this arrow and like this. Now here date and time is going on, so exactly time, and now the validity is the start of this ticket. I have second one like this. Now both ticket is valid, and don't forget, if you purchase 24 hours one journey ticket, you need to valid here and then use. Thank you. Without valid you can't enter any metro or tram. So now I ticket valid and my train is coming here, U1. Now I take this one. I'm going to the center. So guys, this is a simple process to buy public transportation in Vienna. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.